This video about a study of issue and challenge in managing halal and tayyib in the Dutch Lady Company. Next, move on to the member of the group. These four are member to this group. Firstly is Muhammad Shazwan Mahani bin Azman. Secondly is myself, Nur Ayuna Hafiza binti Azman. Next is Alia Fakira binti Aziz. And lastly is Nazato Elisha binti Aminuddin.
My name is Nur Ayuna Hafiza binti Azman. For introduction, I will explain about halal. Halal is an Arabic term which means permissible or lawful in Islam. In reference to food, it is the Islamic dietary standard as prescribed in the Sharia Islamic law. For haram, it is another Arabic term which means impermissible or unlawful in Islam. Three objectives of the Dutch Lady Company. One is to identify the challenge faced by Dutch Lady companies in the Malaysian market. Two is to study the impact of halal and tayyib business by Dutch Lady Company in Malaysia. For the lastly, to identify the business activity carried on by the Dutch Lady Company. For the next, we move to the problem statement. How the community perception of the product produced by the Dutch Lady Company. Halal debates and aspiration of Muslim, perception of product made by Muslim are halal. Halal is not just to comply with Islamic law, but it also covers aspect of food safety and hygiene of food premise. Next, I will be share about Dutch Lady Company. Dutch Lady Company is one of the largest company that produce and supply dairy products to the whole country, including Malaysia. There are various dairy products produced by the Dutch Lady Company, such as formula milk, fresh milk, yogurt, and have a variety of flavors. They use high quality product and rich in vitamins. Then, for our product Dutch Lady Company, is the main service activity performed by the Dutch Lady Company is this company manufacture product in manufacturing and supply dairy products such as powder or formula milk drink, sweeteners, yogurt, and more. Each product release will be packaged with different types of packaging so that customer can differentiate the type of product release. The most important addition is the main service and all meat-based product and use fresh ingredients and have a high quality. First is milk powder or formula used by all level regardless of children or the elderly, all according to age and different nutrients. The second product is fresh milk. Fresh milk obtained from fresh cow milk and high in nutrient with vitamin processed cleanly and safely. Next, the product produced by this company is yogurt. Yogurt is a nutrient food that supplies high calcium to all age. This product is sour in taste and has a variety of flavors such as strawberry, chocolate, and mulberry. For the next part is flow of the production process of the product is fresh milk. When milk is taken from fresh cow sample. Milk obtained from cows that are fresh and have natural nutrients without mixed ingredients, and fresh is taken by the animals. Furthermore, it is well cared for and will be given a natural diet without any prohibited substance. This is because when to produce really fresh milk rich in high nutrients and vitamin that can increase energy and cost for customer. 2. Milk sample are brought to the laboratory for filtration. Next, after processing in the laboratory, to make sure the meat is a good condition and safe, it will be packaged in a high quality and safe box with full notification in the meat box to make it easier for users to read and know information related to the meat products. 3. Supplier to suppliers, shop and supermarkets. Once packaged, the meat will be distributed to the large milk suppliers such as supermarkets, shop and small suppliers. Milk stock will be distributed to suppliers in large and sufficient quantity to the very high demand from consumer who prefer milk product produced by Dutch Lady Company. That's all from me. I will be passed to next presenter.
My name is Alia Fakira binti Aziz. For my part, I will explain about risk management, issue and challenge. Risk management in Dutch Lady Company. Dutch Lady Company aim for transparency in identifying, evaluating and mitigating risks taken by adopting enterprise risk management (ERM) program. The company general risk in Dutch Lady Company is depend on the risk categories, which is strategic, operational, financial and compliance. Next, risk management taken is preparation. The company loses its reputation due to incident or change in the public opinion. The increase in the importance of public opinion, media and publicity has led to the transparency of information from social media. Therefore, the company is willing to accept this risk management if it does not jeopardize the company's long-term strategic goals. Last but not least is environment. Within this management framework, climate and pollution occur due to operational issue. The company will maintain compliance with law and regulation compliant with management by sending a special task force to manage and monitor the potential risk taken.
Hello everyone, my name is Nazato Elisha binti Aminuddin. For my part, I will explain about the all certificates for Dutch Lady Company. There are several certifications for Dutch Lady Meal Industries, including the Halal logo, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, HACCP, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, the Occupational Health and Safety Assessment Series, OSAS, and more. Dutch Lady Meal Industry has been awarded the Halal certificate from JAKIM based on the manufacturing process, reflecting the understanding that halal food and beverages are important to every Muslim consumer. With this certificate, every local Dutch Lady product has the official JAKIM Halal logo on the pack. This Halal logo assures consumers that Dutch Lady Meal Industries adheres to strict hygiene practices, from staff hygiene and processing to transportation and storage. Dutch Lady Meal Industries has also received the HACCP certification. This HACCP certificate of recognition purports to provide formal recognition to businesses who have adopted the HACCP system for food product manufacture, which, among other things, may assist Dutch Lady business to compete in the global food market. Dutch Lady Meal Industries was also awarded ISO 14001-2004 certification, which is based on industrial enterprises' success in combating pollution and how they manage the environmental impact of their activities, such as processing or producing products. Last but not least, Dutch Lady Meal Industry also received the OSAS 18001-1999 certification, which aids in the prevention of work-related accidents, disabilities, ill health, near misses, and fatalities.
My name is Muhammad Shazwan bin Azman. For my part, I will explain about the concept of halal and tayyib and the Dutch company revenue buyer. For the concept of halal and tayyib, halal is an Arabic word that refers to a state of permissibility for goods or activities based on Sharia principle. The word expresses the divine mandate with two keywords, that is halal and tayyib. Aside from the term halalan tayyiban, the word tayyib is used frequently in the Al-Quran to describe something nice, clean, pure, and of high quality. Al-tayyib, according to Al-Kafawi, has three meanings: al-tahir, pure and clean; al-halal, halal; and al-mustalid, goodness. Tayyib, good food, is halal, high quality, nutritious, and guaranteed. For the concept of halal and tayyib for Dutch Lady, its industry and all of its staff are dedicated to supplying halal products to its customer by complying to halal regulation that establish high standards for hygiene, quality, safety, and sanitary conditions. DLMI, that is Dutch Lady Meat Industry, has an internal halal committee that is in charge of all halal issues. As a halal premise recognized by JAKIM, Dutch Lady complies with conditions such as good manufacturing practice, good hygiene practice, and adherence to needs kosher food for food inside premise Dutch Lady company. Next is Dutch Lady company revenue buyer. This figure shows the financial summary for Dutch Lady company in the last 5 years from 2017 to 2021. In this financial summary shows the annual sales revenue and total asset for Dutch Lady company. For annual sales revenue for the Dutch Lady company shows a relatively consistent sales revenue each year. In 2017, the sales revenue generated by the Dutch Lady company was HM2405 billion. In 2018, there was a slightly decrease in the sales revenue of Dutch Lady, which recorded HM1048.6 billion in sales revenue for the year. In the following year, Dutch Lady's sales revenue recorded an increase of RM1066.6 billion in 2019 and RM1100.6 billion in 2020. Meanwhile, in 2021, Dutch Lady sales revenue recorded another increase of RM1133.7 billion in that year. This shows that the sales result for the Dutch Lady company recorded quite consistent, where there is an increase every year and recorded only a slight decrease in 2018. Then the total asset for the Dutch Lady company recorded quite consistent consistently, where there was an increase every year from 2017 to 2021. The total asset recorded by the Dutch Lady Company in 2017 was RM392.3 million, and there was a slight increase in 2018, which recorded a total of RM404.8 million. In 2019, the total assets of the Dutch Lady Company recorded RM443.6 million, and there was a slight increase in 2020, which recorded RM498.8 million. Lastly, in 2021, the total asset of the Dutch Lady Company recorded a significant increase, which is recorded at RM701.2 million.
Next is issue and challenge in managing halal and toyib business in Dutch Lady Company. The first issue is labeling issue. Labeling this issue occur because the richness of food product has similarities even though they are not the original owner. This happened in the case of a Dutch Lady where they have a problem with a product being sabotaged by another company. The next issue is misconception of the product origin. Muslim consumers are the most careful when choosing and buying food product. They prefer to choose and buy halal food product from their own country or other countries that have Muslim majority product. Therefore, the Dutch Lady Company strives to maintain trust and confidence with its stakeholder by intending to fulfill this trust by conducting themselves according to the principle and standard in the halal policy. Next is challenge. In this company, they have halal and tayyiban commitment as the challenge. They strive to achieve the highest standard of hygiene, quality, and safety condition from the purchase of raw material to the distribution of their company product. To achieve this, the International Halal Committee of IHCDLMI has been established to realize this responsibility toward ensuring that their companies adopt halal policies that are in line with what is required by JAKIN and JAIZ. However, the company survives many years, still stepping up the effort to run initiatives to assist in raising awareness among the employees. The next challenge is to achieve commitment to food quality. Quality assurance, quality control is a challenge for this company to achieve because the needs of customer are a major consideration in the company. The company's goal is also to deliver safe food as well as quality product to consumer. However, to achieve that goal, the company had to face a bit of a challenge by demonstrating compliance with applicable law and regulation. They also need to get recognition from health MOH in the affair to ensure that the safety and quality of the product. The last challenge is to maintain the sustainability in the business. They are very committed to ensuring sustainability in their company. To achieve that goal, they need to involve the government to share research funding and explore smart partnership initiatives to avoid any physical policy controls such as plastic tax. This is a challenge for this company to gain the trust of the government.
In conclusion, Dutch Lady Meat Industries is a halal and toyib meat producer that has gotten positive feedback from the market. To attain the level of excellence that it has now, Dutch Lady Meat Industries must work hard and maintain the quality of its work and results in order to gain certification, particularly in the areas of halal logistics and other aspects of the halal and toyib industries. That's all from me and my friends. Thank you.